Hello guys, today we're doing how to make a registration page. So I think I've already shown you what it looks like, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. I think you can do it yourself, but I'm just gonna give you the layout. Okay, so you go input, no, you go label, label, and we don't need the 4-bit, we can just do it in here, and we'll do first name first. And then for our input, will of course need to be text. The name will need to be, we can just do something like wet. And then the ID, we can name this whatever we want again. It doesn't have to be anything specific. And then if we look in here, we have a first name. But of course we would want a heading of what it's about. So we'll make this about cookies. So of course our H1 comes in hand with this. One second guys. So there's a cookies. So if we look back in here, we have a nice cookies. And we'll do a simple one. We'll do first name, last name, and we'll do password and username. 4 things. Okay? So again, we can just copy this and we just change the name basically. Because if we want to change the name or ID when you're testing it, when you grow up or in your job, if you want to test it, you'll need the same things. So I'm just going to copy it for now. And then our last name. And come there. And then for this one, we copy it again, but this time it will be below our password. And then the type would not be text, it would actually be password. So what password does it is that it like does the dots. Like, do you know if you're signing into your Chromebook, the dots will come up when you're typing in your password? Like that. And then we do it again, and we do our username this time. And then it will be just type text. And then that's it for this class.